Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another episode of Rabia Unfolded. You can see this fish, right? Remember my video where I taught you how to make this ultimate green marinade that you can use for all of your grills? And I promised you I was going to show you a video of how I use this marinade of grilling my fish. So you can use this for your fish barbecues, your chicken, your pork, literally anything, shrimps, anything. Okay, if you haven't watched the video of how to make this ultimate green marinade, then check the description box as I'm going to be linking the video in the description box below. Or you can click over here as I'm going to be linking the video over here. Okay, let's get into this, okay? I'll keep this here. My fish is already washed, prepped, cleaned, and ready to go. I will just tap dry it with paper towel just to take off that excess water, right? You need your fish dry so that the marinade can really sink into it. Don't forget the inside part. Good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and score some incisions in my fish. That way the marinade can sink in when we apply it, right? Do this way. Just some tiny scores. Don't make them too deep. Just a little for the marinades to sink in. Okay, that. Large enough for the marinades to sink in, right? Okay, now my people, let's go ahead and marinate our fish with the Rabia Unfolded Ultimate Green Marinade. It smells so good already. I like starting in the middle, just put some marinade in the middle, then rub it in with your hand. You can feel free to use your bare hands without any gloves. I'm just using the gloves because I'm trying to avoid messing up everywhere, right? Rub it in well, a good amount. Put them in the incisions like this, very nice. Flip to the other side. Rub all over. Make sure it goes to the tails. Don't forget the head, please. I like to open the inside part of the head and just adding more marinades there. Okay guys, look at my fish here. It's already marinated. Let me just add some of the marinades here that I will use for the actual grilling. More oil. Okay. You can add a little more seasoning if your fish wasn't fully seasoned. A pinch of salt and some chicken broth mix. Okay, this is good to go. Perfect. I'm going to light on my charcoal outside while my fish continues to marinate, and then we'll move to the next step. Okay, now my people, I'm gonna cover it so it can cook right inside. Let's cover it for a bit. That looks good. That looks really good. Perfect. I'll just add the marinade on top before I flip it. That oil is gonna provoke the flames again, but you know what to do, right? Okay, let's flip it. Just take a good look at this. Just gonna add some more marinade on it so it doesn't stay dry. Okay, close that. Let it sit for a bit and then we'll be good to go. Come on, look at that. You want to check out my environment? See, it's a beautiful evening here. Such a beautiful community. And what's there to do rather than have some grilled fish and enjoy the evening?
Every story gently told. This is life, this is home.
One thing I like about roasted fish is this tail, like the tail here, oh my goodness, it tastes so good when it's crunchy. Yeah, let's move it around again so the head can be ready. I always love my fish crispy from the outside and moist on the inside. Let's leave the other side. Look at that. Wow, our fish is ready to be served. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rabia and this is Rabia Unfolded, where we create cozy, delicious recipes that you can easily recreate your home without any issues. If this sounds like your kind of place, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any of the cozy recipes that we share here every week. And to my returning subscribers, what's up my people? Hope you all are doing well. Do you want this? If you want to eat this fish, you know where to find me. Just look for my address and yeah, you would be more than welcome. Isn't this delicious? Okay, my people, let me serve this fish the Cameroonian style, okay? Some bobolo, my green marinade here, some Cameroonian pepper sauce, some mayo, ketchup for my kids, some carrots, some onions, parsley. And there we have it, my people. Our charcoal grilled fish is ready to be served. You can enjoy it warm or cold. You can enjoy it with any vegetables of your choice, any side dishes of your choice, and you can just enjoy it as is. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and let me know in the comment section below. What other proteins do you want me to grill with this Rabia Unfolded ultimate green marinade, right? And now the moment of truth. Some pepper. Just look at this. See how juicy it is inside? And then look how crunchy it is outside. Yeah, eat it. Thanks so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. Don't forget to continue living your life and continue having fun this summer. And until next time, see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.